welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking to the person that she went to the restaurant with that the lady is referring to. And she's speaking to him about what, the lady was saying. So go ahead and hear the conversation that they had. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy and love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my followers, my subscribers, have yourselves a wonderful day. And remember to always be what you set out to be, no matter what others may want to say or no matter what they try. Be you, because you can only be you. Have yourself a wonderful day.
Yeah, she didn't send me a kind of message all when me a while ago. Me block her from the other channel, and she couldn't. She's so obsessed with me. She's the girl. Me no know her. Yes, me dear. She say you're short and ugly, and you have and how something wrong with your finger. Me no know, because when we had went to restaurant, me screenshot some picture, but me no show your face. Me just show the like the food and your body, like in your belly part or whatever. So you had you put your finger closely, like where you have the fork I eat. So your other finger come over upon your finger. So them say one of your finger is missing or chop off or something. No laugh, yeah. So me I said, so when me look at the picture, me say, when me look at the picture, me say, she say them are idiot. That is when you close your finger. Like when you close, like when you eat with the fork, so you take your big finger and lap over the other finger. So them a look on the finger, yeah, and your finger look like you have a flesh a grow upon the other finger. You have time a laugh. Yeah. So him take up a picture again, screenshot it and say, look on your black ugly gorilla man. Yeah, me would not want that. But yeah, talk about that now. She really want trace me. But me realize that a big fat brown girl when me block on Facebook. So she couldn't resist fi continue cuss me. She send me message on my new phone. So me get fi share a picture. One big piece of sour hog. One big piece of red sour hog. If you ever see the girl, so she scream. So when she talk about say how me big and fat and sour, me scream shot. Me go into the kitchen and me turn up and show them me nice, slim, sexy body, honey. Them more they look attention about not see them. So I hit no. I hit no. Of course they know some. Of course they know some look good, babe. No. Them a idiot. Damn right, I know you alone. I look me. Damn right about that. Mm-mm. I came and I looked for you, but you're sleeping. Yes, you were sleeping. I didn't want to wake you up. No me the best, no me the best thing. Eh? Yeah, that is it. And about come out of the people in house. I go on like say a feels, come out. It is disgusting. Yeah, you look at that man. I was like, so so finally the girl in couldn't resist more than to send me picture in a film phone. When me look at the same big dirty girl on my black on Facebook. Huh? The same big dirty hag. One, me just send the picture, I can show you one piece of big swine. You wouldn't chat to that. Hey, and I was, you did your clean shit. I come American a clean shit. Me have 2 degree. Me have 2 degree. And me get salary. Eh? Him not, bitch don't know say people work hourly get more money than people who get salary. Salary of one money you get if you get second job. Hourly you can work up until tomorrow 24 hour. Eh? Eh? Nobody don't want a black ugly man. I'm like, cause at the same picture when they take away that man I truck, them draw up in a chair shake and give me. And, and from her face hang down like a bulldog with under her chin fat and hang down. So me take one picture when she look, she say me nice skinny leg. Oh, you don't have no shape. You don't have no shape. I'm like, me not answer it, Eh, yeah, I'll say you're short. They say handicap short, man. say, they say you're short. The girl say you're short and black and handicap. Me say, what is? Look for your short black up. Me say, just so me see the big red king girl now. That the girl look like she don't even get a fuck for about 10 years. Because the way she tan. She only have she can lie down on bed and get fucked. She can't move none at all. The way she big and sour. So me no know which dick she can ride and quit the pussy. Cause me know so that bitch can't quit pussy like me. Much less. The way she big and heavy. And first of all, Quintin the crotch take a very high power. So she can't do that. So bitch, you can't hold the man. Uh-huh. He can't ride no dick and he can't quit no pussy. Cause Quintin a pussy is harder than to ride in a dick. And that bitch can't do it. The way she big and sour. That's why she over there come and talk about black. Black are the original color, bitch. Your color red like a malata, like a them slave will rape off your ancestor. Eh? you you don't say no easy. That's you know easy at all. You don't say me I same thing. No sir. And so me I tell them, me if you have a man friend when me and them have a ride and die. If they can't ride and die for me can't ras walk. I'm giving it to you. The diaper. No. I just the people jealous. Nobody no want them. But just see the girl at the same dirty girl black on Facebook and trace off already. So he couldn't resist it. So I itchy did they call me said we. Eh. Eh. My man say tell us a bitch. How long I talk to me cocky turn up? Tell her that. So me ready in all different type of way. I say tell her that. And you can't do nothing. You can't make him dick turn up. If you talk to him. You don't have nobody. A girl a girl killed hood anytime. Me don't know which part she could have make a man dick turn up. Me say I can see when me done me show the people them. Me show the people them the reason why this girl harass me. One big fat red sour girl. I can really see why you harass me. You wish you'd have my legs them. Hold the front. Hold the front. And then I hold the back. Them don't know that. Them are idiot. Them don't know. Big fat sour girl. Not a soul we talk to them. Not a soul we talk to them. They wish them to have a man I call them that to them. Not a soul.